how to fix Messenger call failed on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Messenger call failed on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1, that is to check the internet connection. So here, always make sure that you have stable internet connection, or you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can even turn airplane mode on and off to check your internet connection, because a poor internet is the main reason for the call's failure. And with that, moving forward to the step number 2, that is to restart Messenger and phone as well. Now here you can completely close the Messenger app, and after that you can simply restart your phone. And now here, once you're done restarting your phone, you can simply open the Messenger app again and try calling on the app. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to allow the call permission. So here you can just long press and hold on the Messenger app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on app info. And now here, once you're inside the app settings, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on app permissions. And now here in this section, make sure that you have enabled the microphone, camera, and the phone access, which is required for voice and video calls. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to clear the Messenger cache. Now here you can go back to the Messenger app section, and now here in this section you can just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you do that, this will fix the call connecting glitches. And with that, moving forward to the step number 5, that is to turn off the VPN. So here, if you have enabled any VPN on your phone, then you can simply disable it. And once you do that, this will help you to make the Messenger calls more effectively. And with that, moving forward to the step number 6, that is to update the Messenger. So here you can simply open the Play Store, and now here once you're inside the Play Store, then you can simply search for the Messenger app and tap on update button if available, because the old version can cause the calls failures. And with that, moving forward to the step number 7, that is to reinstall the Messenger. So if none of the above steps worked for you, then what you can do is simply uninstall the Messenger app and reinstall it from Play Store again. And once you're done with that, you can simply log in and test the calls. And that's it. That's how you can fix Messenger call failed on Android. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.